Magandang hapon po ng September 23, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 23, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, September 23, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 23, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for September 23, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 23, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.